Today is Tuesday. I just got home from work. I went into the office today. I had a really long day. It's like 6:30, almost 7 o'clock. And we just got a package. Our patio set just came. And so I am about to try to put it together. A couple of house updates. So let me just take y'all through all the house updates real quick. First things first, we got these custom side lights installed. Before, these were clear so you could see straight through the door. And now, you can't. So if you nosy and you're trying to see what we got going on in here, you can't see it, okay? The next major update that we did last night, babe actually hung the stuff that I want in my office. So these are my initials. Right here, I want like a little glass side table to match that. And I want to put 2 side chairs for people in my office. This is the internet box. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. But last night he also hung my favorite 2 pictures ever, Atlanta and Auburn. He hung both of those up for me, so super excited about that. We have to get this light fixture replaced. I was thinking about getting a ceiling fan, but I might just get a cute little girly chandelier. I have to figure out where I'm gonna put this mirror and where I'm gonna put this clock. Some more updates. We finally have all of our pieces to the kitchen. So brand new microwave, brand new stove, brand new dishwasher, brand new refrigerator. Everything is LG, like LG top of the line, like the best models and stuff that they have. So I cooked last night for like the first time for real. And I love everything. Everything just works perfectly. And another update that you guys probably haven't seen is our table. So this is our kitchen table. It came. I am totally in love with it. I love this farmhouse look. It's the textured wood, the textured dark wood. I didn't want to do a traditional 4-chair type setup or a traditional table because this is actually a counter height table. So I have the counter height table with the extended bench, which I love this color and texture. It just looks so good. And then I got 2 of the detailed counter height stools. And really they're too close together. So probably need to pull them out a little bit. I don't know. Now they look like it's too far apart. So maybe if I just have them like this and just don't push them all the way in. Okay, so yeah, I need to work on, a new light fixture there, blinds here, and we got to get new couches. But anywho, I'm totally off task, totally off track. I wanted to show you guys this patio set and me putting it together. So I got home from work and stuff and just changed into some lounge clothes because I'm so excited to open this stuff. chair took 20 minutes, but it's done. It's done. And I'm pretty certain it's perfect. It just looks like it's, yeah, it's right. It's perfect. So there's the chair, one more chair, one table, and that's it. It's about to storm. It's about to be a layup night.
Do I need to slide them over some more?
Gotta bring the table. Ooh, so cute. So, Macy, y'all look. It's so cute. I love it. Do you like it?
Am I putting the table against the wall?
I'm gonna come move it. I can't, but we gotta get these things cut. Oh, come look. Our little party gonna be litty. Huh? I think the pillows just really give it a nice touch.
Yes, I'm filming. Alright, what's today's project, Shan?
Today we are replacing our doorbell. So as you can see, our house is trimmed with black shutters, black door, and we have this faded doorbell here. And so we are going to put this one on here.
And there's Mace.